Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Today I am getting ready for our family vacation. We're leaving for Cabo on Tuesday and it is Friday today, so I have a few days to kind of get prepped, but today I'm going to try to just pick out my outfits, try to figure out exactly what I'm bringing because I don't know what I'm bringing yet. And then I have a bunch of new stuff in that I got for Elena and a bunch of Amazon finds, so a lot of affordable, good like summer pieces for me and Elena that I thought I could share with you guys if you guys have a trip coming up too, or if you just need some good like summer staples. And then later in today's video, I think I'll just take you guys with us like as we're traveling like through the airport and stuff, and then the next vlog will be in Cabo. It's gonna be really fun. So let me go ahead and show you guys my options. I know you guys can't really tell me if I should bring them or not because it'll be too late, but you can still let me know what you guys think in the comments. Here are all of my shoe options, and most of these are actually Amazon, believe it or not. So everything that I am going to be mentioning will be linked down below, but a lot of these are like dupes for more expensive shoes. I have these Jeffrey Campbell shoes, and I actually have these in black as well. Y'all, I found them pretty much identical. The straps may be a little bit thicker, but regardless, they are pretty much the exact same when you put them on for like, I don't know, I think these are like $150 or maybe $120, and these were like less than 50, like I think 40 something. So much more affordable and so cute. I think I'm gonna bring the white ones honestly because these will match so many things. So yeah, I'll try those on in a little bit for y'all. I'm definitely bringing these honestly because these are really good pool slides and just like really comfy. Oh, like I cannot tell you how cushiony these feel, and they're by Amazon Basics, so all of the Amazon brands are really good quality. I think they're a dupe for that Teeks brand, which is actually like a more expensive like flip-flop brand, but these look pretty much identical and are so much more affordable. These are a dupe for those Dolce Vita ones. I've actually had these for a year. I got these last year. So cute. They come in several colors. And then these are a dupe from, I don't know what brand they're from honestly, but I've seen so many bloggers wearing these and they're from Nordstrom. Found them on Amazon for like 40 bucks. I can't decide. Definitely bringing those too though. Also, I went ahead and stepped outside my comfort zone and got a little like pop of color. These are by Amazon The Drop, and I got this like emerald green. I thought this would be so pretty with white because I have a couple of white dresses, or even black. I just thought like I could add a little pop of color to the neutrals that I always wear. I'm just like so excited to kind of like add a little bit of color into my wardrobe, even though I won't do a lot. It'll just be like little pops of it, which I'm excited about. And these are so cute. I actually love the heel. It's kind of like wide from the back and then thin from the side. I thought that was so adorable. These actually just came in the mail like 5 minutes ago and I am obsessed. They're also Amazon, and I think I'm gonna bring these with me on the trip as well, just because they will literally match everything. They're a dupe for the Dolce Vita ones. They came out with a flat version this year, and here's the ones from Amazon that are like a fraction of the price and come in a ton of colors. So I'll link these below for y'all too. Here's the first dress I'm trying on. I ordered this from ASOS, trying to add more color like I said. And I love it, honestly. Like I have never really worn this color. It's kind of like a little bit muted lime yellowy color. They call it olive, but I would not really call this an olive green. I would call this kind of like a muted highlighter yellow. I don't know. I just thought it was really pretty. I love how modest it is, but I might even add a belt just because it is very wide, but it's so nice. I hope it's still available for y'all if any of you guys want it. But I did pair it with the white Amazon sandals, and these are so cute, very comfortable. The heel height is really nice. It's still a low heel. If you guys are in need of a good strappy sandal for summer, these are them. Then I wanted to pick up a couple of new like little trendy bag options that I could wear with the dresses on vacay, and this was a little 90s inspired bag that I thought was cute. And let me know what you guys think. I feel like you either love it or hate it. I put a poll on my stories and it was like 50-50. I think if you're trying to be trendy, that this is a really cute option. Here's another option. It's a little pearl detail bag, which is so on trend. You guys are gonna have to let me know between the two white bags which one I should carry with me. This is my first time trying on this little two-piece set. I got it from a brand called Shopo. I never ordered from them before. I think they're Australian, but I thought the set was so cute. It is a little sheer though, I will say. I wore some white leggings underneath, which you can kind of see cut off there, and I don't know how flattering that is. Anyway, let me know if you guys think that looks tacky. I'm still undecided. I'm trying to decide if it's worth it because the set really is cute, and it's long in the back, and I just thought it was like really lightweight and cute for summer, but we'll have to see what, I guess maybe I'll ask my sisters what they think. But I did pair the black Amazon sandals with this outfit, and I think it looks so cute. Went ahead and shopped my own closet for the other pieces I'm bringing because I just wanted to add like a couple of new items to my wardrobe for this trip. So this is a dress from Needle and Thread that I got for my maternity pictures with Elena, and I got my regular size so I can still wear it now, and it would be such a waste for me to never wear it again. So I thought this would add a little pop of color to my wardrobe. And then I love this dress that I got from Dish. You guys probably saw me wear it a million times over on my Instagram. I wore it to Tulum, and I'll probably bring it again because it's so pretty. I actually remembered I had a couple of Amazon dresses that I wanted to show y'all. Very excited about this because it's hard to find Amazon dresses that are actual maxi length. I have been searching far and wide, and most of the ones on Amazon that are cute are midi length. So very excited about this one. It comes in a few other colors, and I did get it in black and an olive color just so I could show you guys. But I will say that I have ordered this one in the past and also loved it then, but I put it in the dryer and it shrank. So just know that you really cannot put this material in the dryer. Just like hang dry it so that it doesn't shrink. I'm just super happy because this is gonna be an easy one for me to throw on whenever we're like just around the house. Here it is in black, which I know you can't really see any of the details because of the color, but it is very cute and just so simple. I paired it with those emerald sandals for a pop of color, which I think looks really good with black too. And then I also just wanted to show you guys that it does come in this really pretty olive green color as well. Okay, came into Elena's room to pack her stuff, and I thought I would show you guys some of the pieces I'm bringing for her because there are a ton of good pieces that I just got in. Firstly, I have to show you guys these pajamas that we have been obsessed with for the past like couple months, and I have washed these probably 25 times and they are still so nice. These are the best pajamas I have ever tried for Elena. They are so soft and stretchy and thin and just perfect for all year round. They come in a ton of colors, so great for boys or girls. And if you have a toddler, just do yourself a favor, put these in your cart. You will thank me later. They are so good. And then I also got her some just kind of like play sets. They're shorts and a t-shirt. They're ribbed and they have the ruffles on the sleeves and on the bottom of the shorts. I thought these would be like comfy clothes she could play in during the day or sleep in at night. So I got a blue set, and I also got a pink set for her. I thought that was really cute. And then for dresses for her to wear like at night when we go to dinner and stuff, I got the cutest dresses, you guys. These are eyelet detail, and I got this in two different colors. I got it in the white, and I also got it in the pink because I literally could not decide because they were just so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. That is what the back looks like. Isn't that so adorable? For swimsuits, I got some really cute options, you guys. Okay, how adorable is this one shoulder ruffly floral swimsuit? I die over this, you guys. I'm so excited for her to wear this. It's just, oh, so cute. Then this one is a little bit more of a practical option because it's the long sleeve rash guard version, and it is a really pretty like sage green color and has the ruffles around the little thigh area, and I just think this is so cute. I could not believe I found this on Amazon. This video is actually not sponsored by Amazon, you guys. I just thought that like literally everything I'm showing y'all is Amazon, but I just found some really good stuff recently. I got her, actually I got these last year whenever we went to Mexico. They're these little sunglasses that she will not wear, but maybe I can get her to wear them for a picture. Oh, and then I don't know what happened to her floaty. I must have just like donated it or something. So I had to pick up another little floaty so she could swim, and this one's actually really cute. It's got like little sparkles. Those are most of the items that I'm bringing for her. I do need to add a couple more dresses, and then obviously I have to pack all of her diapers and wipes and like toiletries and all of that good stuff. But these at least were the fun pieces that I'm bringing for her. I think what I'm actually gonna do is, now that I know like exactly what I'm bringing, I'm just gonna leave it to the side and then I will pack later and I will insert that footage. I've already spent too much time like picking out everything that we're bringing today. So I'm gonna go get Elena and I will see y'all when I'm backpacking. It is packing day and we got our luggage down from the attic. I love this set that we got. It's really pretty affordable and really good quality. So I'll link this below in case any of you guys are in need of some new luggage. And I actually remembered that I got some new swimwear in, so I was gonna try that on for y'all. I forgot that I ordered all these different swimwear sets from Amazon as well. Amanda actually reminded me today because she said that she ordered some and she got one of the same ones that I got. And I was like, oh my God, thank you for reminding me. I hadn't even gotten them out of the packaging. I would have totally forgotten to even bring them, but this is a really good set. This is a dupe for the Lanuke swimwear set. It has these, I don't know, kind of like a V design with the peplum detail, and it's so flattering and cute, and I'm actually really impressed with the fit and everything. I got a size medium just so it wouldn't be super skin tight, and I really love it. And I have a couple more outfits to share with y'all, and I believe they all came with turbans, but I'm just not really, I don't know, I just don't think it looks good on me, so I'm not going to try those on. Here is the next one. This one has a zipper detail and then kind of like this crisscross design in the front, which is super flattering. I love this one. I wish it was like maybe a little bit longer, but that's okay. I think it's still really cute and practical, and I feel super confident in something like this. I'm also wearing a medium in this one, and I don't know if it came in other colors. The colors must not have been that impressive to me because I basically just got black in most of these. Actually, the next one is navy, so I'll show y'all that one too. Here's this one in navy. It has this kind of like ruched front. It has kind of like a one shoulder kind of design. I'm honestly so impressed with every single one. I don't know which one I'm bringing. I feel like my favorite was kind of the last one with the zipper. Let me know what you guys think. I think that one may be the one that I'm bringing with me, but all of these are honestly so chic and very flattering and very good quality, so I'd recommend all of them. Honestly, now this navy one's really growing on me. Do y'all see that? Like draping? That's so pretty. Loading up. It's very early. Elena, you ready to go to Mexico? We are at the airport waiting on Omar. He went to park the car. Guess who we're about to see? We're about to see your aunties and your Hako. Are you excited? Elena threw a full-blown tantrum as we were checking in and going through security, so we're at our gate now and Omar is chasing her around. She's running around getting some energy out before we board. We're actually waiting on Amanda and Lauren. They're going to pick up food and bring it to us. And it's sad because my parents are coming, but my dad had to work today, so they're actually going to be meeting us tomorrow, which kind of sucks. It kind of cuts their trip short, but yeah, we're excited to meet up with everyone eventually. She keeps running and screaming at Omar to go, go. I got her these little magic marker things and she seems to like it, but she's just running with it. Who just rolled up?
Oh, Lena, they were out of chicken. We only have fries.
You're lying, alright? You're lying, right?
Nice.
Oh,
for real?
Hi,
We're going to Cabo. No, why you going to Cabo, right?
Now it's y'all's turn to chase her around.
Literally.